What about AI video ads being used on marketing campaigns? For example, AI Johnny Depp promoting a product, but it's AI and high quality video. Some can't differentiate. I mean, nothing wrong with that if it's just an ad, but an AI will not replace me as a human. Who would you rather trust, an AI bot or me going live on YouTube or social media? There's no comparison. So AI is there to help you make your video content more creative and run more ads. Again, we also use AI to create videos, but they are for it's horses for courses. I cannot get an AI bot sit here and do this live stream. Well, until my digital avatar will be able to do it in the sometime in the near future, and you won't be able to um, see the difference. But even if my digital avatar is live online, you trusting me because I would have trained my avatar the way I speak, the way I think, the way I say things. So you building trust with me first. And that is the critical thing. You got to build that trust. Without that, businesses and marketeers who are not leveraging this medium, which is video, they will be dead and buried very soon because everybody will be doing the same thing, AI videos, and people will get bored of it. And this is where how you will stand out.